Get the best droopy eyelids treatment here only with some natural home remedies that are so easy to apply at home. Try all these and get rid of droopy eyes as soon as possible. Today's video will discuss lift your droopy eyelids amazingly in less than 10 days. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Remedy 1. Cucumber. One can make use of cucumber for drooping eyelids. It is one of the excellent natural remedies. For this, you just have to take few slices of chilled cucumber and place it over your eyes and leave it for around 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with cool water. Remedy 2. Chamomile tea bags. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can help you to cure this problem. You can use chamomile tea bags and place them over your eyes. Please remember to store tea bags in the refrigerator before applying them on your eyes. Remedy 3. Aloe vera gel. You can make a paste at your home to rejuvenate your eyes using natural ingredients. Take 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 4 spoons of plain yogurt, and few slices of cucumber and make a paste. Now apply the paste to your eyelids and leave them for 20 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off with cool water. Remedy 4. Egg white mask. This is also one of the most effective and natural tips to avoid your eyelids from drooping. Just pour a little amount of egg white on your eyelids. It will help your skin to tighten and lift up the skin around the eyelids and decreases the droopy effect. Remedy 5. Grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol in high quantity, and therefore it is very effective for treating this eyelid condition. You must eat more grapes, or you can add grapes to your daily diet because the high content of resveratrol slows down the process of aging. How you lift your droopy eyelids? Let me know in our comment section below.